Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is, the JJ. You know we back at it like adding no rehab because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys this advice. So, we're about to go pick up this Impala that I bought yesterday, the other day at the auction for $500. You know, so if y'all want to guess the buyer fee, you win $25. You know, as y'all know, the buyer fee went up, so that's why I'll keep playing this. Like we'll keep doing this giveaway, like the $25, because the buyer fee keeps going up like every so often. So like if you look at a video from 3 or 4 months ago, the buyer fee was one thing. Now the buyer fee is a different thing. So if you can guess it, you'll win $25. You know, all you have to do is like the video, drop your guess. If you win, I'll just tell you like that you won. We'll get your cash app. I'll send you the money. But yeah, let's waiting on Pops. About to go pick it up. They're in a couple cars, and let's get it. Yeah, so we about to go pick up these cars. Got. Look at that. She mad at you.
What you mean?
Yeah. Yeah,
He ain't lying to you. Oh, your car probably parked on the back row, ain't it?
Depends on if they started moving stuff around on the job.
Somebody got a box truck.
Oh, you got a white one.
Yeah, mine gonna be somewhere. Yeah, nah, that was the one right there, that gray one, that Ford 5. It's clean. It wasn't $3,200 worth clean though, but it was clean though. It wasn't.
Right, what I thought it would get out of.
Yeah, it wasn't $3,200 worth of clean though. It's clean though.
I mean, yeah, the body straight. Yeah, I thought that was my opinion. Looking better on it. Oh, it's clean on the inside.
Yeah, it was clean inside and out, but
It's sunroof.
3,200 plus fees, so basically 35. Nah, it wasn't worth it.
I mean, it's worth it if you're gonna note it out.
That's more than likely what's gonna happen.
That's what you had to do.
Why not? Note it out for $10,995.
And I was seeing I rode past somewhere. It was a Jeep, like the Jeep Liberty I had, that red one.
Yeah.
Guess how much they wanted for it?
Price $69.95.
49, but still though, $5,000. It was like Jeep Liberty. I'm like,
Why
sheesh.
not? The value of everything is up right now. No new cars being put out. Everything is up.
I just junked mine.
Yeah, that's my Impala over here. Look at that, good. See what we got. Little crack in the bumper. Little crack in the bumper. Little fender need to be smoothed out. Door handle. Little paint touch up right there. Paint touch up right there. Interior just need a little vacuum. Vacuum, you know. Got good rubber on it, good tires. 3400 series. Oil is low. Let's put it back in there. Oil is real low. Let's see. this thing in. Got a little in the overflow. Let me find something to wipe this off. Got any rags or anything in this thing? Don't lock my keys in the car. I hope they did a fairly decent job cleaning it out. Man, they ain't got nothing in there. Not one napkin, nothing to wipe the oil. Man, it's crazy. Usually they have like one napkin or something. Check one of these other cars or something. Right quick. Huh? Nah, it's low. I was just trying to get something to wipe the oil off to make sure and see how low it was. I ain't see nothing.
Wipe it off with the mat.
Yeah, nah, I don't want to do that. Disrespect my mat like that. Nah, it ain't dead. I was just checking the oil.
See any Earl in this motherfucker?
See if it's how low on oil and coolant it is.
Check this.
So you heard how it
It's
sounded
low.
with that, I think it has a K&N in this motherfucker.
What, that truck?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you get it?
Already sold. You got oil.
Huh?
Said you got oil.
Where you see oil at?
Just wipe it.
You see all of it.
Man, I'm trying to see like where he see some oil at. Yeah, you looking at something I ain't looking at? Yeah, that's what I was trying to see. Where's some damn oil at?
At the bottom right here.
Yeah, at the very bottom. Barely.
Barely touching.
Barely touching.
I think it's about bad in another way.
I think I need a quart of oil or something. At least 1 quart. Think it'd be good enough to drive around the corner? Go get a quart of oil?
Yeah, big.
Hopefully it don't lay down.
Nah. Look, you trying to buy you new shit.
Yep. Yep.
Want something when you got it?
Most definitely.
Run. Sound like the power steering wheel. Where your car at? Sound good. Nope. Gotta get me a Toyota Tundra eventually. Eventually. That Cadillac with the ripped off back bumper still out here. Thought they sold it. That's your Avenger, that white one. The shake.
Two fenders, two headlights, and a bumper. About $200.
$200, but it's a 2013 though. You selling, you banking off the year. It's a 2013. That's all you selling a year. That's what you selling.
Yeah.
What that Malibu go for? Or did it not run? Yeah, definitely. Fender. Fender.
The hood is good, like.
Yeah, you can get the hood. Definitely need 2 fenders. Headlight. it's a V6. So I booked yours on the hours before, so you might you got more value. Oh, look good.
Yeah, it's good. It's just kind of dirty.
Okay, you might have found you a personal car.
Maybe.
Little work needed. I already got the windows tinted. What you doing?
That don't make sense. Like, you want to take the radio out. The aftermarket radio on
I don't know why the factory radio on these work just fine. 500 for the Impala, 1300 for the Avenger. Not bad. Let's get up out of here. Let's get up out of here, Mr. Haney. Let's cut it off.
Yeah.
There ain't no gas in there. We got cold AC though. We got some cold AC kicking.
Like an earthquake and then this motherfucker jump way to full. This motherfucker ain't full.
Nah, it ain't full.
He ain't really that beat up motherfucker.
He ain't worried.
He ain't worried.
He keep all he gotta do is two fenders. Go to
and bumper.
Yeah. If he can go find to the salvage yard and find a matching.
He should be able to find a white one. It's probably a wreck of them motherfuckers in there.
Yeah, he probably find the white fender. He might not find the bumper. He might have to get a certificate bumper, but he'll be alright. A little certificate bumper ain't gonna hurt him. And this thing got some cold AC and it's kicking. This thing ain't got no gas or gas. I don't know if it got gas or gas.
He
Jumping back and forth.
On
Yeah, we go turn the corner and go grab a couple, get a couple pulls.
$1.
Yeah, just you can go that street up there and turn.
Oh yeah,
and turn on that back way.
Right.
Let me tell him I'm gonna go grab some oil. We're gonna go grab. So he can head to the lot if he wants to. Excuse me. I'm about to go grab a couple quarts of oil. So, he said it didn't open. Go grab a couple quarts of oil if you don't want to drive at that distance and motor lock up and then I'll be out of money already before it gets started. But we're gonna get some oil, then we're gonna take them to the lot and we'll see how they run. Let's get it. So made it back, runs good. Finally got the title to the Pacifica. This car I had to buy back. Had to buy the Ford Focus back. I sold that a while ago. They had a hard time getting me a title, so they finally got the title to the Pacifica. You love it? Ready to keep it as a personal?
Honestly, I might.
Personal car?
There's literally nothing wrong with it. I mean, besides her, that might just be some free work.
Yeah.
Literally, that's literally the only thing, because this job is great.
Hey, look, you sold yourself.
I mean,
39.
I might sell, but when I fix it up, it might be gone. Oh, you already know how it goes.
When you
fix it up.
how the Impala run.
That'll be road.
All it be.
Just something at the front end of that when you get up like that.
Hey.
Like it might be the tie rod or something.
It's probably out of line because the steering wheel wouldn't have been that cocked if it wasn't out.
Somebody hit something knocked out of line.
Yeah, they hit something from right here. They might have jumped the curb or something.
Jumped the curb and you got somebody knocked that line on the steering wheel like that.
Yeah,
Other than that, the motherfucker.
Get down the road. It's ready for sale. Touch up the little area. Huh? Oh, 2,500. Probably. I'm just playing. I ain't gonna sell it for that much. Headlight, bumper.
2 headlights.
Why you say 2 headlights? What's wrong with this? I ain't see that. You could probably get you a pair of set of headlights off of Amazon for not that much.
Probably cheaper. I mean, they got 35 a piece.
That ain't too bad.
I mean, yeah.
70.
40 for each fender. So it's another AG. Then it's about 40 for the bumper. So it's about 200.
$200, that ain't nothing. $200 invested to a car.
And then depending on how much the body man might charge for paint, I don't know if it's gonna be cheaper to go to him or go to makeup.
I don't know. You might go out to the salvage yard. Nah, they probably ain't got nothing there.
They literally got one white one out there. And I highly doubt it. They gonna have everything on that LKT.
They might got the two fenders. They probably still all together. You just gotta go down there and check. But if y'all haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.